Okay, sorry because there is a problem with the internet a while ago. So I will send it to you here. Okay. Wait me ha. Di, nagklase ko di ay. Ang nagklase ko ay saan? Ah, sige, sige. Bye-bye, di. Ah, okay, I will share to you here, Kate. Can you see it now? Can you see, Kate? Can you see it now?
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Okay, please try to listen this one. So we have here, okay, this one. Look at this. Okay. So please try to answer this very, very easy. A. Children can play in this place at school. What is this? Children can play in this place at school. What is this?
Playground.
Mm-hmm. You see, it's a
Playground.
playground. Okay, wait, ha? A minute, a minute. Okay. It's a playground. Okay, very good. Yay, great job. Okay. Next one. Okay, you can go to this place to when you need to take a train. Stations. Number three. We usually see a lot of
Station.
this on the
Station.
roads when
Number
everyone
three
is
is
going to work or
traffic.
coming home. What is this? It's a what is this? This is a what is this? What is this?
Huh?
Look at the answer.
No, traffic.
Okay, it's a traffic. Okay. You usually see a lot of this
Traffic.
on the roads. You usually see a lot of this on the roads. Okay, it's a traffic. Oh, wait, let me see. Oh, wait. What happened? Okay. These people work in offices and write letters. These people work in offices and write letters on computers.
Um, uh, Medicine.
It is. Okay, it's secretary. Yeah, it is secretary. Okay, next one. If you are very ill and you need to go to the doctor, if you are very ill, kid, and you need to go to the doctor. Oh, wait, what happened? What happened, Kate? You disappear. If you are very ill, Kate, and you happen to be in the doctor,
No. Ambulance.
it
An
is,
ambulance.
it is,
Ambulance.
it's ambulance.
An ambulance.
It's ambulance. Okay, very good.
Umbrella.
Next one. Ambulance. You see it as ambulance, huh? Okay, next one. Oh, wait. Sorry, Kate. What happened? Oh, wait. Okay, it's ambulance. Okay, next one. It's okay. Wait minute. Wait. What happened? Ay, naku, wait. What happened with this one? Okay, let's have number six. Okay, what is the answer for number six? Okay, number six, Kate, is you sometimes see this in the
Um,
sky. There are seven colors.
where the question?
Number six, can you see the questions or no? You cannot see? Oh, wait me, ha. What happened? Oh. Can you see it now?
Okay. Oh no.
See it now? Can you see it now?
Okay, okay, I can see that.
Okay. You can look at one of these if you lose your way in a city. They show all the streets, park, and station. What is this, Kate? This is?
Um, I think is clowns.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Uh, rainbow.
Rainbow. You can look at one of these if you lose your way in the city. They show all the streets, park, and stations. What is this? This is a
Um, medicine.
Mm-hmm. You look at one of these if you lose your way in the city. Example, you are in the city and you don't know where to go. Okay, it is. Okay, it is a
Medicine.
map. Yeah, a map. A map will tell you where to go. Okay, that's a map. Okay, next one. Okay, when it rains, you open this and walk with it above your head. When it rains, you open this and walk with it above your hair. What is this above your head? What is this? What is this?
Um, umbrella.
Oh, it's umbrella. Oh, very good. Next, number
Yeah.
nine. Okay, children laugh at this. People, their clothes are usually too big or too small. Very funny.
Oh, clowns.
Mhm. Children laugh at these people. Clowns. Very good. It's clowns. Okay, next. These people wear uniforms and they help people who are ill. Oh, what is this? Who are these people who
Nurse.
are ill? Huh? It is? It is?
Nurse.
It's a nurse. Yes, it's a nurse. Let me see. Very good. Okay, now you have this very easy, huh? You have to look at the pictures, Kate, and write yes or no. Look at first, okay? Okay.
Oh.
Oh, what happened, Kate? Okay, Kate, can you see this? Okay, Kate, can you see this? Okay, answer now. Okay, what happened? Okay, the internet is not good. Okay, I will share again. Yes, then. Can you hear me, Kate? Can you hear teacher? Okay, that one. Please write. Yes, I know. Oh my God, the internet is not really good. Okay, please answer. Okay. So the woman with the longest hair is skating with the hands behind her back. Yes or no? Oh, let me see. Very good. Oh, number two. You read number two. Please read number two. Okay, number two, please read. Okay, the girl in red tights is talking on the phone. Yes, very good. Okay, the ducks are flying away from the dog. Okay, is it true? No. The man is pulling the sledge over the snow. What is this? Okay, Kate? Yes. Okay, there are some lights in one of the tiers. There are some lights in one of the trees. Okay?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, number six. Please read number six.
The truth with the orange hat is throwing a snowball at his friend.
Okay. It is no. Number seven.
The boy who has fallen on the ice is loud.
Okay. Yes, the boy has fallen. Oh, this one laughing even though he fall. Okay. This one, please answer. Okay, you have to choose what is the correct response. Okay, please read and understand. Okay, Kate, I know you can do it. Go, Kate. Oh, do not make it fast. Just think.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, answer is oh. Okay, let us read. I am the mother and you are Harry. Okay, ready? That's a good idea or a watch. Answer, please read. Letter A. Answer letter A. Okay, please read letter A. Okay, please read. What is read letter A? Kate, read letter A. That's good idea or a watch. What's letter A? Please read it.
What?
Okay, letter A. You read letter A. No, mom.
No, Mom. He got one already.
Okay, you're right. A shirt is better. What color?
Um, I think blue is best.
Okay, thanks. And what time is it, Harry?
Um, yes, let's go to the one in the high street and I can help you choose.
Okay, what time is it, Harry?
Um, my watch says 20 past 1.
Okay, yes. And okay, come on then. We need to catch the bus. It goes in 5 minutes.
Um, shall I go and get my coat then?
Okay, very good. So this one, please try to answer. Look at the answer inside the box.
Này đơn giản là khủng khiếp. Năm 1972, một chiếc máy bay chở đội bóng bầu dục đã rơi sâu trong dãy núi Andes. 45 người bị mắc kẹt giữa những ngọn núi phủ đầy tuyết băng giá. Khi thời gian chuyển từ vài ngày sang vài tuần, cơn đói bắt đầu lan rộng trong đám đông và không thể chờ đợi sự cứu hộ. Vì vậy, họ đã đưa ra một quyết định khủng khiếp để tồn tại. Họ phải ăn thịt hài cốt của những thành viên trong đội không thể sống sót. Họ sống sót trong 72 ngày và cách ăn hài cốt của những người bạn đồng hành đã qua đời. Sau 72 ngày, hai nhân viên cứu hộ đã tìm thấy thành công họ. Cuối cùng, họ đã được giải cứu. Một cuộc trải nghiệm tương tự đã xảy ra vào năm 1820. Một con tàu bất ngờ bị một con cá nhà táng khổng lồ đâm vào. Cá voi đã đâm vào tàu tổng cộng 2 lần, gây hư hỏng nặng thân tàu. Ngay sau đó, con tàu bắt đầu chìm. Các thuyền viên đã bỏ tàu để thoát ra ngoài và trú dạt trên một chiếc thuyền nhỏ trong nhiều tháng. Vì vậy, họ phải vật lộn với cảnh đói khát, thiếu nước trên đại dương mênh mông. Sau vài tuần bí bẹn, họ phải bắt đầu ăn thịt người để tồn tại. Cuối cùng, sau 90 ngày trôi dạt, chỉ có 8 trong số 20 thành viên thủy thủ đoàn được giải cứu. Những tai nạn này đơn giản là khủng khiếp. Năm 1972, một chiếc máy bay chở đội bóng bầu dục đã rơi sâu trong dãy núi Andes 45.
Okay, so he usually walked straight home after school. But last Monday, she didn't want to because her mother was at the dentist. And then Helen had a key to their door, but she decided to go to the park. She went to play on the where? On the swings first. She sat down, kicked hard, and went higher and higher. She closed her eyes and felt like long. Okay, what is the answer? Okay. Suddenly, she remembered her mother's words. You must be home by 4 o'clock. She ran home, but when she put her hand in the pocket of her skirt to take out, it was empty. She went to her grandmother who lived. Okay, wait, Kate, please get back in the Zoom, okay? Please get back. Okay, Kate, can you hear me? Okay, please, Kate, please get back in Zoom. Okay, get back in Zoom.